Hello, how are you today?
Hi, I'm doing great, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. Thanks for asking. By the way, what's your name?
My name is Mike. And yours?
My name is Jessica.
Nice to meet you, Jessica.
Nice to meet you too, Mike.
So, where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. And you?
I'm from South Korea. I just moved here recently.
Oh, that's exciting. How do you like it so far?
It's really nice. People are friendly and I love the parks.
How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I am 27 years old. And you?
I'm 25, not too far apart.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work as a graphic designer. And you?
I'm an English teacher at a private school. I enjoy teaching a lot. Are you married?
No, I'm single. And you?
I'm single too.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-987-6543. And yours?
Mine is 555-123-4567.
Where do you live now?
I live near the park. And you?
I live downtown, close to my office.
How is your family?
They're good, thank you. I have one brother and one sister. How about you?
My family is great too. I have a younger brother and an older sister.
Can you drive?
Yes, I have a small white sedan. And you?
Yes, I can drive too.
What's your favorite color?
I love yellow. And you?
I really like blue.
Do you have brothers?
Yes, one younger brother. And you?
One brother too.
Do you have sisters?
Yes, one older sister.
What does your father do?
He is an engineer. And your father?
He works in a bank.
And your mother's job?
She's a teacher. And your mother?
My mother is a nurse.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. How about you?
I have a small dog named Max.
That's nice. What's Luna's favorite activity?
Max loves running in the park. And Luna?
Luna enjoys climbing and chasing toys.
Do you travel often?
I try to whenever I get a chance. How about you?
I love weekend trips and exploring new places.
That's fun. Do you like music?
Yes, mostly pop, sometimes classical. You?
Pop and jazz for me.
Do you play any instruments?
A little guitar, not professional. And you?
I can play piano a bit, just for fun.
Wow, maybe we can play music together someday.
That would be fun.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy making pasta and desserts. You?
I like cooking simple dishes and trying new recipes.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, a small Italian place near the park. You?
Oh, I know that place. Their pizza is amazing.
What about hobbies besides cooking?
I love painting, reading, and sketching. And you?
Podcasting, cycling, and sometimes hiking.
That's cool. Maybe you can show me some photos sometime.
Sure, I'd love that.
So, do you usually watch movies or series?
Mostly series, dramas, and comedies. You?
I prefer movies, especially mysteries and adventures.
Do you like outdoor activities?
Yes, walking in parks, jogging, and hiking sometimes.
Me too. Nature is very relaxing. How about sports? Do you play any?
Occasionally basketball. I enjoy watching soccer too.
I like swimming and tennis sometimes. Do you like animals besides pets?
Yes, I love all animals, especially dogs.
Same here. I love cats. Have you ever done volunteer work?
Yes, I helped at a local library for kids. You?
I volunteer at an animal shelter sometimes.